AI agents are finally here.
This is the year of AI agents.
I think in the future, every business is going to have an AI agent.
That you'll be able to take the agents and they'll start to work together.
The reason why people are so excited about agents is because we really want AI to be able to do the work.
Imagine hiring a team of digital assistants who work 24/7, learn on the job, and handle your most complex tasks. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of AI agents. Here at Vibeco Dev, we believe AI is a power-up for your career, not a replacement. It's a tool that enables innovations and creates new jobs. This video explains what AI agents are, how they're changing our world, and how you can start building your own with free open-source tools. If you're interested in the future of work and new AI applications, subscribe. An AI agent is an autonomous digital worker. It's a smart system that can think for itself, make decisions, and take action to achieve a goal without or with little constant human guidance.
Everyone for the past 2, 3, 4 years has been talking a lot more about AI.
We're going to launch our first agent.
AI is going to affect every country, everybody in the world.
The opportunity for agents is gigantic.
Agents can reason and strategize beyond preset rules. They improve. They learn from experience, becoming more effective over time. Think of an AI coworker that handles your research and scheduling, freeing you to focus on strategic tasks. That's the power of AI agents.
I really think it's going to change the world.
So I think we're in for years of just incredible creativity.
So I think we're going to live in a world where there are going to be hundreds of millions of billions of different AI agents.
We're going to see that when you log into Slack, you're not just talking to your human coworkers, you're also talking to your AI coworkers.
What about our jobs? Some roles with repetitive white-collar tasks in administration, sales, or consulting will be transformed. But the future is about augmentation, not replacement. Here at Vibeco Dev, we believe agents will handle the tedious work, freeing humans to focus on creativity, strategy, and problem-solving. This shift will enable promotions and create new career opportunities. Of course, this transition raises valid concerns about unemployment and ethics. Embracing this change responsibly is key. The future is human-AI collaboration, so stay curious and be prepared to adapt.
Already beginning to happen is text to action. And what that is write me a piece of software to do something, right? You just say it. I mean, can you imagine having programmers that actually do what you say you want? And it does it 24 hours a day.
It would learn.
These systems will get powerful enough that you'll be able to take the agents and they'll start to work together, right? So your agent and my agent and her agent and his agent will all combine to solve a new problem.
The best way to understand this technology is to use it. You can start building today with powerful, free, open-source projects. Here are a few to get you started. 1. AutoGPT. This was one of the first viral projects. You provide a high-level goal, and AutoGPT works autonomously to achieve it by creating and executing its own subtasks. It's a great example of fully independent AI. 2. Crew AI. This framework lets you build a team of specialized AI agents. For example, a researcher agent and a writer agent can collaborate to produce a detailed report. It's designed for creating sophisticated multi-agent workflows. 3. LangChain. This is the foundational library that powers many agentic systems. Provides the essential building blocks to create your own custom agents and connect LLM to virtually any data source or tool. The journey into the world of AI agents is just beginning. Exploring these tools is the best way to prepare for the future of productivity and innovation. What more would you like to know about AI Agent? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you want more content on AI applications and free open source tools, please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.